Framer overlay. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and type in 𝗕𝗲𝗂𝗀𝘂𝗀𝗀. On the home page, click Login at the top right of your screen. Click Login with email. Enter your email address, then click Continue. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. To start a new project, click the New Project button at the top right of the screen. Go to the button you want to use to trigger an overlay. For example, select any button already placed in your design. On the right side of the screen, click the Overlay option. In the overlay mode, you can add elements or shapes. For example, insert your own custom design as the overlay content. While still in overlay mode, use the right panel to adjust the margin using the position settings. You can also modify the size of the overlay using the size controls. When everything is set up the way you want, click Done to exit overlay mode. To preview your overlay effect, go to the top right of the screen and click the play button.